Today we will make homemade Gomashio. We start with sesame seeds. These are roasted either in the oven or on the top of the stove in a skillet. And you should roast them until you can crush the seeds between your fingers. And it already starts to turn to Gomashio. This is what we call a sodabachi. It's a Japanese grinding kitchen tool. And this is 2 cups. Normally it's a lot more than I usually make, but today we're going to have some extra. Let's give it to the neighbors. Okay. Now there's one other thing, the salt. The salt is usually roasted in a skillet until that smell of the calcium chloride disappears. And I usually make it 1 to 12. 1 part sea salt to 12 parts sesame seeds. Okay. Now the fun begins. Now, I was taught by my first cooking teacher, Aveline Kushi, that she always did it like this with her hand. But I just go counterclockwise. I just want to have fun with it. But you can just, whatever you like, whatever feels good. But you grind this until it's about 80%, 75% ground. And the ridges in the sort of bachi make it easy, and it goes quite quickly. Actually, not really. It takes about 45 minutes. So, I won't bore you. I'm going to be here for another 45 minutes, but oh yeah, I wanted to explain to you about the health benefits. It's a really good digestive aid, no matter what kind of food you're eating. But it's a traditional condiment. You can put it on rice, vegetables, just about anything that you would normally use as a garnish. Some people even use it in salads. It's very high in minerals, calcium, magnesium, and it has a lot of B vitamins, vitamin A and vitamin E. Yeah, plus it's a fun food. Sometimes we keep it on the table usually, and you go by, there's a spoon beside the jar, and you just go ahead and take a spoonful and eat it just for a treat. I think that's all there is right now, and if you have any questions, you can write to us on our website, earthwise.live, or as some people say, earthwise.live. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you.